Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have an easy 3D geodesic bowl, perfect for a table favor. Let's get started.
I have a piece of Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper that is 6 inches by 6 inches. I'm going to trim it down on one side to 5 1/4 inches. With the short side 5 1/4 inches at the top, I will score at 1 5/16, 2 5/8, and 3 15/16. Turn it to the long 6-inch side, and with a pencil, make markings at 1 1/2 inches at the top and the bottom, 3 inches, and 4 1/2. From this last tick mark at the top, or 4 1/2 inches, down to this first tick mark on the bottom, which was at 1 1/2 inches, I'm going to score on the diagonal. Turn it to the first tick mark at the top and the last tick mark at the bottom, and again score on the diagonal. That forms an X. From the center tick mark to this bottom corner, we're going to make a parallel score line to this one. From that middle tick mark to the other bottom corner, we're making a parallel line to this one. So there are 2 parallel lines this way and 2 this way. Flip it to the opposite end and go back to this middle tick mark, opposite point, 1 score line, 2 score lines, making a 3rd parallel line. And middle tick mark to the other bottom corner, score line, and another parallel line. So there are 3 parallel lines going this way and 3 going this way. And hopefully you can see that. Maybe this side you can see it better. Next step is to remove these 4 corners. So we'll take a tick mark that's on the end, find the middle score lines here, and cut. The next corner to remove is this one. Middle score line to the tick mark. The next corner to remove is this one. Tick mark, score line. And the last corner to remove is here. That middle score line to our tick mark. Erase the pencil marks. And we have a beautiful hexagon. Next step is to fold on all of the score lines. The hexagon is divided into equilateral triangles. You need to pick a side, doesn't matter which one, and remove the three triangles making up that side. So I'm going to do right here. And just cut on the score lines. So if you positioned it like this, it kind of looks like a cat. Then cutting down from one ear down to the center. Then on each remaining point of the hexagon, cut in until you come to a junction of score lines. And now to assemble. I'm using liquid glue so I have time to reposition things. Our first fold will be to pull this over here. So I'm applying glue to the bottom triangle, kind of going out near the edges, and adhering this. And there's my point that will be on the back side of my dome. This one will go onto this triangle. And again, I'm applying glue on the one that's on the bottom. Once I have all the triangles glued, I have this adorable little geodesic bowl with a cute little scene on the inside and a bit of an abstract pattern around the outside. I think I'm going to use these as Easter table favors. So I have a Happy Easter stamp here. And I'm going to have this sit right on it. Flip that over, use the bottom as a guide for the angle. And then I have some Rolo candies here that are Easter wrapped. And there you have it, a geodesic bowl to use as a table favor.
Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!